Today I'm going to show you how to program a transponder key on your 2007 Toyota Highlander hybrid. So how can you tell if it's a transponder key? You can tell by right here. See that little dot right here? That's indicate is a transponder key. If it's a regular key, it would not have that little dot right there. And I got this off Amazon. It's under a little bit under 10 bucks. So this one is uncut. This one is the master key. If you look in the back, there's no dot. There's only one dot right here. Same thing as this one. One little dot right here. And no dot in the back.
Service, Chris speaking.
Yes, I have a question. How much do you charge to get my key made and with the transponder program?
The programming is $175, and then plus the cost of the key. I can get you over to parts and get you a price on the key if you'd like.
Okay.
Elementary parts.
Yes, sir. I'm looking for a key, a blank key for my 2007 Toyota Highlander hybrid.
You need a blank key?
Yes, sir.
Like to start the car and all that, sir?
Yeah, with the transponder. Yeah, to get a cut.
3234 plus tax.
3234. Okay. All right.
All right.
Thank you very much. You see this security light right here? If you put the master key in the ignition, the light will goes off. Now the key's in. See how it goes off? You take it out, it'll start flashing. And I'm gonna try to put this non-program transponder key into the ignition, and the light will still gonna blink. Key in. See how it's still blinking? Key out. So this one is not programmed yet. And it's okay to program a blank key first before you get it cut. So see, it's gonna go in, but it won't turn because it's uncut. Now the way you program this key is you gotta use the master key, put it in the ignition, and pull it out 5 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 5th time you leave the key in. And then after that, you open the door and close 6 times. And on the 6th time, make sure your driver door close. After you close the door 6 times, the security light will stays on. After that, you insert the blank key in there and leave it in. It should take about a minute or so, and then the security light will goes off. Alright, here we go. Make sure the driver doors and all the doors are closed. Alright, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and leave the key in, and then open the door 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now take the key out. Once you remove the key, the security light stays on. See how it stays on? That's when you put the blank key in the ignition. Okay, when the blank key is in the ignition right now, so now let's wait. You gotta take about a minute or so before the light stops blinking. Alright, it's been about a minute. See how the light stopped blinking? So that means the reprogramming success. And then when you remove the blank key, the security light will start flashing. See how it starts flashing? So this key successfully reprogrammed. So now all I have to do is just go to a hardware store somewhere, let them cut it. Alright, I'm at Ace Hardware right now. Just got a key cut. Guess what? It's $5 to get a key cut. And this is the key that I bought from Amazon for under 10 bucks. Now let's see if the programming works and the key cut's gonna work. Alright, here we go. Alright, turns on. Alright, it works. Drives the car. So total cost for this blank key is, this one's under 10 bucks, so let's just say $10 right here from Amazon. And they charge Ace Hardware around my neighborhood, cost me $5 to get a cut. Exactly identical to the original key. So total cost $15 to get a key made versus $200 from the dealership. Alright, I hope this video helped you guys out there to save money instead of spending $200-300 to get a key made. And this key cost me 15 bucks, so you save a lot of money that way. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.